Division of at least whole 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. When dividing 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers, you can break up the 3-digit number to make the division easier. Work out 102 divided by 6. You can break down 102 into numbers that 6 can divide into exactly, like 60 and 42. Then divide in parts. Equals 60 divided by 6 plus 42 divided by 6. Remember that in division, you will not get the same answer if you change the order of the numbers. Start with the calculations inside the brackets. That is, divide first and then add. 10 plus 7 equals 17. You can check your answer by multiplying 17 by 6.
Need more help? Ask Maski to make it easy. And let the maths finally start mathing.